Hello, this is Keith All and welcome back to another tutorial. And this time we're going to be learning how we could create this rainbow text effect that you see on the screen. And of course there are multiple ways that you could do it. This is just one technique that you could use to create this effect. So let's go over to a new canvas. We're going to first of all change the text color. It could be any color that you want initially. And then take the horizontal text tool and just type in the text that you want. Let's resize this text element. We could do this through the transform tool by pressing Control T on a PC or Command T on a Mac. Let's apply that transformation. Now let's go up to the options bar and select this text warp arc. And of course you don't have to change this to an arc. You could have just left it as is. Let's adjust the size of the arc. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create multiple ellipse shapes on this. So let's go over here. Let's select the ellipse tool. And let's just click and drag. And make the ellipse somewhat conforming to your arc. As you can see, this is almost the same shape as this arc right here. Now let's press enter. We could change this color by multiple ways that you could do this. If you double click on the thumbnail, it brings up the color picker, and then just select the color that you want, and it will change it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this this object. So we could go over here to the layers panel, Control plus the J key duplicates it. Let's change this color to whatever we want. Click OK. Let's duplicate it. You'll see in a second because I'm going to be moving these layers down in a second. Let's duplicate it again. Let's change it to the next color. Duplicate it again. Okay, and let's just do it one more time. Control J. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to just move all these layers down. Let's use the move tool. Let's do that. Select this layer. Like that. Select the next layer, move it down. Select the next layer, move it down. Just like that. And now let's move all of them up. What we want to do is select the bottom layer. Let's go all the way up to the top layer by pressing the Shift and click. It selects all layers in between there. Let's move this up just a bit. Okay. Now for our last one, what we want to do is we want to create a square rectangle. So let's select the text layer. Let's go over here. Select the rectangle one. Use the move tool to cover the entire thing. And let's change this to, let's see, an orange. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to merge these layers together, just the shape layers. So in order to do that, we want to merge the visible layers only. So let's turn off the text layer and the background layer. Select the bottom layer rectangle and shift click the top one to select all the layers. Do a right click and merge visible. Okay, now let's turn these layers back on by clicking on this eye icon here. Now we want to make sure the top layer is selected, which is the merged shape layers. And let's right click and create clipping mask. And there you go. And that's how one way that you could create a rainbow text effect in Photoshop. Please stop often because I upload multiple videos during the week, anywhere from Photoshop to the Builder All platform or even HTML and CSS. I appreciate your support. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video ready. And also please like, share, and comment. Again, I appreciate you and your support and your time here today. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye now.